Oddly enough, I can hear. God dang.
All right.
She's a dumbass.
I'm recording.
You're what?
Recording. I think my stick is, I left it out here. I hope. Dang it.
Where are you taking me? I thought we were going to the creek.
We are, hold on.
This is that way.
Darn it. I gotta go get my timeout. The fishing is gonna be incredible. There are these holes like right there, right along that bank, deep channel. Oh. New rocks. Corey. Come here. Look at the... I don't know. There's all sorts of cool new stuff here. Hey, look. No, see the erosion barrier there?
Yeah.
There used to be like 20 feet in front of it. That just got carved out, that big hole. If your house were built there. We're going to have to... Oh, there's a stream. We're here.
Hold on, I'm going to do a quick video.
I'm going to walk over the stream. Oh no! How do we get? Can we get through? Can we get through? Here, go up and around. Oh no, we're gonna have to come downstream. All right, just get up, go. I don't know if I can do this. Can you get through?
Just hold on.
I know, there's no rush. Don't hurry yourself. Hey, Penny. I'm there.
Oh. Nope.
Oh! Thanks, Penny. Oh!
Well, it's gone now. She dug it out.
I'm coming. Hold on. Ow. Oh.
This is a ton of sand deposit.
Yeah, right? Another layer of silt. That's why there's so much topsoil down here.
And now nobody will come up because
Well,
that's the barrier. I wouldn't be taking that down. I think that is.
you think?
But the long ones will take care of it.
I don't know. We got to get back into the stream. This is all new sand. It's all new sand. All right, we'll resume this when we find our way back.
Oh, she came too.
Ready? See, there's the way. See if you remember where you are by anything. Remember that route crossing the path that we used as a step up? That day you lost your stuff, there's the campsite. The main
Wait, this is where I used to sit and meditate? Way
Yeah.
down there?
Yeah.
The fuck?
Gee.
Anymore. Oh.
It's all right. We're going in. Step here. Up. Good luck hobbiting up. Oh no, it's slippery. I'm clearing the way. The steps got washed away, Rena.
Oh, it stinks.
Let's see.
Nope, there's no way I'm going to be able to do this.
I don't know.
I'm going to put on my eye protective eyewear.
You'll be all right.
No, I'm only good to this point. What do you expect me to do from here?
One step down, left, right foot, plant. There you go. You can. There you go.
I would say no. Oh, no, hell no.
Come on, just go
I
jump.
can't put my weight on that.
You
Calm
can give me
down.
your hand.
Don't.
I'm sorry. I'm helping. I
I
try.
shouldn't need it. I'm just
Sorry.
trying to make sure I don't fall.
All right.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah. Right.
Oh my shit.
Hold on. What's this like?
Hold on, I'm gonna take a video.
Do your thing. We made it to the stream. That's all we need to do. Prancer, I found your stick. There are Nerf darts, like, from here till everywhere. I'm coming that way. I just want to... Missing a funnel. Hold on, I just need to see the brake. I'm coming. Go. We're trapped. We can't get out downstream. We gotta go upstream. Go. Whoa. Hey, that's Prancer's life vest.
Oh, take a picture.
Just throw it on the side. I got it. It's a video. Look at that channel cut through the rock. The water's so cool. Oh. We're going. There are like 3 drops. Right? Doesn't that feel good? Oh.
I got bug spray going in my eyeball.
Yeah. This is relatively fresh, clean water.
Oh, there's a lot of crawdads.
Yay!
Coming. Oh, there's a lot of crawdads. Right there.
Oh, look at them all.
Yeah. First living. That's the first live thing I've seen.
2 of them in the same hole. Oh, one of those. What is it?
Some sort of cleaning.
Squeegee off.
Isn't that yours?
I don't know. Let's go. Oh, here we come, Prancer's bathtub next. And Corey, there's a present for you there. Hey, that's mine.
Yours. That is yours.
That's my dishwashing liquid. Throw it up on. No, I'm gonna be up and down this thing collecting for a
Throw
month.
it all the way up?
Where? Yeah, as far as you can go. That's gonna be fun to get.
No, it's gonna
I'll get it, go.
I should have.
You're gonna need both hands.
For what?
Climbing. Prancer's bathtub and where the stalactite came from is up next. And those are all gone now too. So much for that priceless collection.
So much for getting on that. No, that is one switch from the front. Be careful.
Right on. Well done. Oh, you okay? You okay? Ah.
Here's your blue jacket.
Why what? That's my windbreaker. No, oh no, that's my kayak cover. Oh man. Ah, you okay?
Yeah, I do. And look how beautiful! Are you kidding me? I have come prepared for this waterfall. Oh, my phone died.
Oh,
Can you get a nice, beautiful video of that?
yes.
Or just a picture?
Hold on. All that whole stalactite collection was in here.
It's gone.
Oh,
This is the big waterfall. I was inside
There's my chainsaw.
of. Well, grab it.
Quit saying that. Please. Look, she has to swim it so deep.
Oh, she's not the only one. I came prepared for this. I have plenty of them. Oh,
I'm trying to. Oh my gosh! More stalactites fell off. My tarp, yes. Oh, what's in my pockets? Uh-oh. I don't. My lighters are wet. Hey, will you hold this? And it's filming. I want you to see how deep it gets. Up on my leg. Please. I can't reach. Thank you.
why were you holding it towards you?
Is it filming?
Yeah. That's my chair right there. Give him some privacy while he throws his water on his head and whatnot.
Oh my God.
Okay, stand in the deepest spot. For scale, that man is 6'3", and it's coming up. I mean, he's all torso, not very much leg on him, but I would say 36 length.
There's a giraffe.
All right, yeah, we see. Okay, how do you suppose I do this?
Climb.
Something's dead in here. I gotta get out of
Corey, yes, right up here. Just pick your way carefully. Up the stones, there you go. There's a root. You can grab onto the root. And one step up and you're there. Good. Awesome.
Yo! Ta-da!
Look at the view from here.
Where's your shoe dye?
That's not mine. But
Oh,
that
look, what is this?
I don't know.
I'll put
Set it
over-
on the chair. Set it on the chair.
Oh, I'm gonna put it over there for you to receive.
Set it on the chair and open it up. See what it is. Looks like a rifle case. I don't know. No.
Holy fuck. We gotta take a picture and put on the next door.
Just close it.
There's
Close-
no gun in here though. It's just
Close
the
it,
rifle
please.
part. I bet you it's just mega movie.
Just leave it there.
Why?
Because I know it's there and I will be circulating. That is why we are walking the stream.
And you'll let him know.
I know everyone. Yes. But I can't carry things. I have one arm and I have people who would be grateful to know where that case is.
For the what?
That case is.
Well, that's why I was gonna put it here so they don't.
Leave it on that chair and maybe they'll help me haul it out when I tell them where it is.
Okay. That's vegan, probably.
Our goal is to keep going.
Yeah, that's vegan. I'm sure of it.
Yep. No. No, it's all documented on video. It will not. Please stop doing that. That is exactly why I want to save this stuff. I need to document it before it gets dark. Tomorrow there'll be 100 people walking this stream. You can take that. Wash it off. Okay, this is good.
This is the exact same thing, only this one is cream.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Jackson. You
Ready?
can have a sip of this one. but
Okay,
don't
this is going to be a tricky part.
go. What?
I'm going to go first and you follow.
I wish my phone wasn't dead. Can you get a picture, a slow video of just the waterfall without it, without any noise, just the waterfall over there?
I'm just going to walk straight up the stream.
No, can you do that for me? Like, okay, go straight up the street.
Well, it's harder than you think. I've lost one phone in this pool. That's interesting. Oh, it's just mud. Don't get your foot stuck in it. It's about a foot deep of silt. You'll make it. That's why an adventure stick. Oh, now you're good. You're good if you get to here. Hey, that's the smart way. That's the way I do it. Because it'd be funny. You would have made it. Deadly. Yes, throw it. Thank you. You're welcome. It's gonna get wet.
I don't care.
Okay, here comes the
Oh,
input.
sadly, you need to put your feet in there.
What?
Out and dumping. Hey there, buddy. You see me say, no, fuck you guys.
Hey, language.
You should take a picture now for the store time.
Video the whole time.
That's weird.
All right.
Here's the basket. Look at the basket. Okay, that waterfall was cool, right?
That was very cool. Heard it through the grapevine. First one to see something from my yard wins.
I'm so glad we did not find a gun in there, because then we would have had it taken it out so it didn't fall into the wrong thing.
That's my garbage can, that blue thing up there.
Is this your stock cart?
No.
It's heat timer.
Corey. Corey. Right there. Those are tubs. That's the
I'm not drinking none of that crazy
then
shit.
that Corey. Think about what you're saying. Those are the bins out of my yard. My desk is coming up.
What do you reckon that is from? Somebody's house?
I don't know. It's pretty solid. There's Prancer's Arctic Boy cooler. Right there where I got his dog food. There's my desk with hopefully some things in the drawers. There's a bin. Is the lid on? No. Here comes the stuff. My mom, that's probably my hummingbird feeder. The water didn't get to her house.
There's your box. Oh, look, there's your dresser.
Yeah.
Well,
There's the box.
so that's what tweaker called.
There's the box with my yearbooks in it and one of my journals. Corey, you lead.
That's a lava rock.
Okay, cool.
Come see.
Throw-
Tell me what it is. Is it shale? It looks like a lava rock.
That's exactly what it is.
Oh.
Throw it. Keep it. Go. Walk. You lead now.
Throw it up here. Watch out. I don't want to hit you.
You have to get to the end of the property, and you have to get there first. Go.
Of course. Okay. I'm not in a hurry. There's part of your car. It's a bumper.
I didn't lose any parts.
Damn. Where? Oh.
That's mine. Those baskets are mine. That bandana's not.
Are you sure?
Positive. That is, this is the next step, is I got to get up in the field next door. Because my stuff's all over the field.
Pockets?
Yes. Because my stuff's all over that. All over that field next door, and I heard motors going, so
Watch out.
I don't want to find stuff in a burn pile.
Okay, that's all the cleanup.
That a girl.
You cutting?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Ready, drop. Go. Oh, I'm going.
not going to drop it on you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, just drop it on your head and nobody gives a shit about you, Corey.
Language.
I didn't know that you're videotaping.
This, I am, Corey, the explicit purpose of this journey is to videotape the entire thing.
Okay, sorry.
I cannot stress that more.
Okay. That was funny though. My sincerest of apologies for messing up the documentation.
You're not messing nothing up. This is real. And you're exactly right. This is the way up. Ready? You come.
I don't want to go up there today because I don't want to run out of daylight. Or we can.
I
yeah.
just need to peek. Let's go.
Okay,
I'll go. 1, 2. I'm using the stick.
Oh man.
Oh,
This is what I've been telling you about.
oh, right on. No, we're good.
There's nothing over there.
The fence caught it.
Come on.
She'll come. Oh, yay. That means all I got to do is get over on that property and pick it off the fence.
That means that the flood was coming both ways into this stream.
Yeah.
None of your stuff will be over there because they were converging.
You're right. Exactly right. Converging. Hold on, hold on. Hold up.
And that's why I did not want to go there. Did you
Oh.
take that whole spot?
My arm. I didn't carefully.
Why'd you come running down?
Because I was slipping.
I was just watching like, where's it gonna go?
That was falling in style.
You slipped all the way across.
I know.
I can't get sharp rocks in my shoes.
Ouch. That hurt. Okay.
Hey man, you caught yourself pretty good. I was like, there goes his arm that's still fractured up in Recon.
All right. Now it's just a straight shot. It's easy.
Oh, this is the perfect thing I needed.
Told you.
I've had a rough day.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know, but I think I'm gonna apply. Jane told me to apply for she's like, apply to
Keep
the
walking.
job coach thing. Like, you don't have to teach. Because I was like, I don't want to go back to that horrible role. And she said, job coach. And I was like, oh, I remember I did do job coaching before. That was good. I'm
You're-
looking for that. Holy shit.
You're gonna be okay.
No, I keep getting spider webs.
No, I mean, it's talking about your jaw.
I'm looking for that, or I'm looking for like credit recovery positions.
You'll be alright.
That's about it. That's the only two things. Or if I could get like a job teaching that.
Corey, can we just relax and appreciate the world?
What? Oh, because this is everything. You never want to hear anything that I have
Corey,
done.
you're out in nature, just chill.
Oh. I was feeling out in nature and I was ready to open up, but that's
What'd you find?
What?
What'd you find? Oh, what?
It's a net.
Awesome. Look, the pipe is broken.
It's taking a net.
Take it.
It's mine.
Cool, and we're out of here.
I'm gonna come back here whenever the fish are back, and I'm just gonna sit here and go, okay, dinner's ready.
Come on.
I know, it's a spot.
Yep.
Hurry up and get it ready.
All right, I gotta go sit down, man.
Okay.
There's gonna be great fishing. That pool is all the way up.
Oh, man, this is what this is for.
You bring it home.
I wonder if somebody had it here for this express purpose.
I don't know, but I'm getting to the porch. I'm done. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh.
I'm gonna catch a mouse in my kitchen if it's
Okay.
comes to the banana in it.
Oh no.
What?
Yeah, probably safer to go straight there.
Yeah, it's right up near the pool. I saw it earlier.
Yeah, just come straight through here. Oh. Let's take a dip in the pool. Just kidding. I don't know. Hey, look, the lights are...
We do not go up the street.
She's not going to go anywhere. Corey, look at the lights. She's with Prancer. Let's go. Prancer, let's go. Yay. Oh, wait.
Get over here. Get your ass